I'm working on this bathroom to do some floating and to replace some drywall. And I wanted to show you why I wouldn't use metal corner bead in a bathroom or any area in your home that's prone to moisture, because it will rust. I'm going to remove the metal corner bead and use vinyl corner bead instead. The vinyl corner bead won't rust and it doesn't dent. The metal corner bead will rust and dent. They also didn't fasten the corner bead. They didn't use drywall nails or screws. And it caused a lot of cracking on this seam and the opposite seam. Look at this. See the movement in that corner bead? That movement can cause cracks. When I install corner bead, I use drywall nails or screws to fasten the corner bead to the wall. And that's why I wouldn't use metal corner bead in a bathroom or in any area prone to moisture. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.